We have finished our backyard renovation. When we started, there was a wooden deck here that was completely trashed and falling apart. And then there was just a whole bunch of these hollies and a hill that came along here in the backyard that came out to about here. So not very big. And now we have a little walking path through here with some trees that are growing that they were planted. Looks like they just took off the tags, or somebody did. They had tags on them. And there's some plants along here. You're gonna walk in and you have a paver patio, and we have the retaining wall. These are bell guard. Everything is bell guard. But the main point of us tearing out the patio and building everything was to put a hot tub here in the backyard. So this is the hot tub. This is the Sundance Aspen. It is huge, as you can see, but it's really nice. And we had it designed kind of around the tub so we'd have a place to put it. So there's a little padding right here, or pad for it right here. We'll put some side panelings. We're working on this pergola. One thing we kind of had a problem with is it wasn't tall enough, so there has an opening that will be right here in the middle until we come up with something, maybe raise it. But these do open and close on the liviers or whatever you call them on the top. And the nice thing about this brand is that even though there's none in the middle, they open all the way to the back. So that's nice that we don't have to have these ones that were just not working. But here is the patio. They took about 15 days and then took a week off while they waited for us to put the hot tub in and they could bring it all in. And then they came back this week and put the plants and the mulch and everything else in. So we've got plants along here. We've got a Japanese maple, which is really cool through here. All the plants are gone that used to be here. There's still some on the sides. There's the steps. I built the handrails. They were gonna charge me a bunch, he said. So he said, you're better off finding someone or doing them yourself. So I did them myself. They're just the Mazada ones. I've been buying pieces off of Amazon. Worked out really nice. I think it looks really good. And then today they also came and finished, put in some sod right here. So that's the end of that, and then sodded up through here. So over time this will look better. But here is our final project. It's been a fun, 3 weeks of watching them work. Those guys worked awesome through here, so nothing but good things to say. There's a little lower spot right here. I was just talking to the owner about it. He seemed fine, and water drains out quick enough, he said. But it was nice. He came out, we talked about it. So that was really cool that the owner came out and talked to me. It just makes me feel better talking to them in person. But we got the plants up here and the hot tub, and then a little path over here, which as these trees will get bigger, we'll be able to walk out. And then I will put Christmas lights on all of these trees. So I don't know what will be next on this channel. I have another channel which is camping, and then in the fall, Christmas lights. That one is much larger and I post on that one a lot. So you'll probably see some of this in the background because I guess I'll have to do some of my videos back here now. But thank you for watching. It's been kind of fun just to watch the progress. And I don't know what the next video will be. I guess now is the time you can unsubscribe that you've seen the end. So if I don't see you in the next one, thank you for the little times that we've had watching this update.